Welcome to KS Apparels Limited. Established in the year 2013, we have grown into a premier 100% export-oriented ready-made garments manufacturer in Bangladesh. For over a decade, our core mission has been simple yet powerful: to deliver world-class fashion garments to the global market, built entirely on the foundations of quality, reliability, and absolute trust. Strategy and efficiency begin at our geographic roots. Operating from our advanced and highly centralized manufacturing facility located at Bahadurpur, Gazipur City Corporation, Gazipur, Bangladesh. We bring modern infrastructure and industrial excellence together under one roof. Our location is strategically designed to ensure a smooth workflow, seamless logistics, and an optimal environment for large-scale garment manufacturing. At KS Apparels Limited, specialization is where we truly shine. We are experts in manufacturing high-end woven garments, handling both tops and bottoms with unmatched precision. Whether it is intricate shirts, casual tops, structured jackets, or perfectly fitted trousers and pants, our dedicated production lines and highly skilled teams work tirelessly to ensure perfection in every single stitch, fabric cut, and final design. We do not just manufacture clothing. We offer a complete end-to-end manufacturing solution. We take pride in our ability to manage the entire life cycle of garment production, from initial fabric sourcing, pattern creation, and meticulous design development, all the way to rigorous quality auditing, secure packaging, and final shipment. Every step is tailored precisely to meet and exceed our buyers' specific requirements.
In this factory, KS Apparels Limited, I have been working here since more than 9 years, and in our factory there is a very beautiful and friendly work environment. Colleagues and owners are very much friendly, and I'm really very proud to be a part of this factory, and I believe our factory is one of the finest factories in this country.
As we move forward into the future of fashion, our commitment to excellence remains unchanged. We continue to upgrade our systems, empower our workforce, and build long-term international partnerships based on mutual success. When you choose us, you choose a partner dedicated to your growth. KS Apparels Limited, bringing your fashion ideas to life with world-class quality and trust. Location: Bahadurpur, Gazipur City Corporation, Gazipur, Bangladesh.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.